sun wasn't out like it was earlier. Oh, there are the steps there. They are behind us. They don't look that bad, huh? There's only 418 of them. I think we could do it.
I knew you'd guilt me into it.
I'm not guilting you into it. You don't have to do it.
We danced a lot last night.
We danced too much last night.
And we walked 20,000 steps.
We did walk 20,000 steps yesterday. There's only 418 steps. That's nothing compared to 20,000. Tell you what, how about we just take it one step at a time? No! Good morning, Ålesund. I think it's Ålesund. Anyway, good morning. We are here in Ålesund. Ålesund? Still don't know how you say it. Just got off the Pride. Having a bit of a late start today because we had a bit of a late night last night and the sun has gone away. The sun is behind the clouds right now. It was bright and sunny about half an hour ago. That's okay. Weather's about 15 degrees Celsius, so it feels pretty good. Jane has gone back to the ship because we forgot to ask what time all on board was. We didn't notice on the way out. I think it's around 4:30. Best to know, she's right. So that's what we're doing. And with any luck, we're going to be going up that hill right there. And there's stairs, as you can see. You can walk up. There's 450 steps, I believe. I'm not sure if we're doing that. I kind of want to. Jane doesn't. Let's see what happens. Here comes Jane now. What time are we going back on board? 5:30. We don't know where we're going. So here in Ålesund, still don't know how to say it. This area right here, I believe, where this yacht's parked, was where Below Deck Adventures was filmed. I believe this is where they parked the ship, and then they take a little water taxi down there and pick up their passengers and then sort of introduce them to the yacht, which would be sitting here. That's what I remember anyway. Below Dock Sailing Adventure. No, what was it called? What was it called? Below Deck Adventure. And then they'd sail out somewhere. I don't know where they went. In the fjord. Very small here. What's it called again? Below Deck Adventure. God, I keep calling it Sailing Adventure. Anyhow, we think Below Deck Adventure. We think. That's two locations we've been to where Below Deck is. The one was in Antigua? St. Kitts? No, St. Kitts, yeah. They used to go to the shipwreck bar in St. Kitts. I think it's called the Reggae Beach Bar. I think you might have seen this bar on Below Deck if you watch it. And right at the end there you can see MSC Virtuosa, which I believe came out of Southampton. Okay, this way, Jenny. There's the hill. There's a lot of electric cars here. It's about the fifth one I've seen. So we're just down there and you come up the street here, there's this pedestrian shopping area. It's kind of cute. And we're gonna walk up the hill. So we're just trying to figure out, we came up this big hill here and we're trying to figure out, are we going the right way to get up there? Where are the stairs? And then some lady in that balcony right there starts waving at us, pointing in this direction, gives us a thumbs up. That's nice of her. Oh dear. That's the parking sign. It doesn't say anything. I think we're going up here. Just a hike to the stairs is the hike. Alright, we've come to a fork in the road. Anybody read Norwegian? I think we go this way. Where?
The very top thing.
Oh, right there, yeah. 418 steps. That's the one. I wonder where that goes. Goes to Borg, what? Borgerness Way, maybe that stands for? I don't know. Let's go. You're not doing the stairs, are you, honey?
No.
No. We found some steps. think that might be all the steps we do. The other steps are over there, I think. Oh, it's a monument? 1904 monument. Wilhelm somebody. And a lookout. I bet the sun wasn't there like it was earlier. Oh, there are the steps there. Yeah, right behind us. They don't look that bad, huh? There's only 418 of them. I think we could do it.
I knew you'd guilt me into it.
I'm not guilting you into it. You don't have to do it.
We danced a lot last night.
We danced too much last
And we
night.
walked 20,000 steps.
We did walk 20,000 steps yesterday. There's only 418 steps. That's nothing compared to 20,000. What's 418 compared to 20,000? We won't walk as far today. Tell you what, how about we just take it one step at a time? No! You say let's give it a try? Okay. James guilted me into doing the steps. Do these count as two? 2 steps? 416 to go? Does that count as 2? I don't think so. At the steps, you gotta walk up a hill first. And we're off. What a trooper. Jane didn't want to do this. What a trooper. The top is just right there behind me. About 100 steps more to go. It's more scary than it is strenuous, I think, because the path is very narrow and there's only one rail on one side. The other side's kind of a drop off into the grass or rocks. As you can see, there's no rail on this side. So pretty easy to fall off of there if you get pushed. And on the way up, there's people coming down, and then all of a sudden they decide to come down side by side, and you got nowhere to go but up or off. So I just crawled through them. It's very pretty though. I wish the sun was out. It's very pretty. Oh yeah, that's true. It's really windy here too. That's where we were earlier, right down there. Where the super yacht is. You see what I mean? Like these steps aren't too bad. Those steps are like a ladder. No rail on this side at all. So beware. So that took us only about 15 minutes, not too bad. But a nice reward at the top here with the view. Look at that. We still have a couple more steps right there. Let's go up there. Okay, we'll go this way. But that's a nice view. Snow-capped mountains in the distance. Little island there, and our ships. Town center path, not the steps. That way. So if you don't want to walk, take the steps. You can get one of these little trains to bring you up to do a little tour of the city at the same time. And I believe they said it was 290 krona, Norwegian krona. So that is approximately 30 US and times 1.37 Canadian. And looks like the hop on hop off bus comes here too. Usually that's around $40, $50. I didn't check the price. So up at the top they have an observation deck, an observation building. Get some really good views from up here. You also have a restaurant which offers a decent little menu, good food, and reasonable prices for a tourist destination. And you can get beer, wine, and soda here also. Get some nice views, take a rest before you head down. They also have bathroom or toilet facilities up here if you're walking down. And you really get some great views up here. where we were the super yacht was. And this street right here, that's what the lady told us we were going the right way. Walked up the path. Past that monument. And then you're up here, just like that. My only fear is going down is going to be worse. So we're going down now. I think it's going to be worse than going up. Really? Get back in case it's 3 o'clock. We have to be there. About 5:30. This is the area when I came up there and they were all lined up trying to get a picture down there in that little point that juts out. They're all like doubled up and trying to get up the stairs here, and 2 lines either side, no way to get through. And I'm like, nope, I'm gonna get through here. I kind of freaked out a little bit, but it's basically put my head down and just started hiking up the stairs. I didn't take any video because I didn't want to hold my camera and fall off the cliff. Okay, we made it down. Actually, it was better coming down than going up. I thought it'd be worse, but actually it was better. I think it was because there was less people there too. So if you need something to do for free, that is a good thing to do for free. 418 steps, that's all. Nice walk here, a bit uphill to get here. So cut those steps in too. Otherwise, it was good. I enjoyed it. A little cafe shop at the top, a little coffee shop, and bathrooms are there if you need them. Oh, look what Jane found. This weird tree. What do you think it is, Jane?
Succulents.
Succulents. It looks like some sort of pine tree to me. If anybody knows what kind of tree this is, let us know in the comments below. That's odd. It's Norwegian. I'll tell you that. I know what kind of tree it is. Honey, I know what kind of tree it is. It's a knotty tree. And the eyes have it. Look at all the knots. That is weird. There you go. It's a knotty tree. That's how you get back downtown. Just follow this street. So we just walked down that hill. I believe downtown is that way. And Jane's found a store. From Norway. Patrol store. It's 179 kroner, so that's roughly 18 euros, 20 bucks. So instead of going to the town center, we came this way, straight over this hill. Look what we found. More steps. Because Jane found a store down there. But we're going that way anyway, so that's okay. More steps. Holy smokes. I think it's 418 steps to get to the 418 steps. That's my theory. Just taking a picture of the troll. Oh, this nice little cafe down here. Did you find your friend, love? What's his name? something new. Never done this before. The ship is lower than the dock. So the gangway goes down. You have to duck your head going in.
Yes, what you had.
Thank you. Like this video, thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you'll be notified of future videos. Share with somebody you like, and don't forget, stay safe and be nice to each other.